Hey, Brew and Feed here. I am on the campus of Case Western Reserve University. We're having our homebrew club meeting here today at the Jolly Scholar at the Thwing Center. I think that's how you pronounce it. So we're gonna go in here, Little Mountain Homebrewers Club, my original homebrew club that I joined long time ago here in Cleveland, Ohio. So let's go check out the Little Mountain Homebrewers and see if they still know how to brew strong. All right, we just left the Little Mountain Homebrewers night out. It was fun. Great beer. We got a nice tour of the facility. Got to hang out with friends, and it's a wrap. So we will see you in the next video.